let's make chocolate banana muffin. Banana, how much fluff is that? Now I'm going to, wow, what a nice taste. 1 egg. Now insert maida. Now insert sugar, grinded sugar. Now insert salt. Now insert baking soda. Now insert baking powder. Now insert cocoa powder. Now insert oil. Now insert crushed chocolate. Let's beat it. Now let's cut the banana. Now I'm putting the one pieces of banana in the mold. Now I'm putting the batter on bananas. After 20 minutes, it's baked. Cake. Look, banana. How much fluff is that? Now I'm going to, wow, what a nice taste.